Smile, Petey. Back on the tongue and groove. Gulf Shores, Alabama. This is George, the resident black drum. Red and a vermilion. Just grab the line. Just grab the line. Al's on. There you go. Small one. You're going back, buddy. Vermilion? Yeah, nice one, Pete. Look at the little baby. Look at him. Put that rod and you still on, big dog? Bait is what it is. Grab that so I can help out.
Yeah, nice.
Good, perfect. Coming in. Hang on to that. You got him, Petey?
I'm so happy.
Spending all your time with your heads bowed down like it's your destiny. One by one, following the book. Everyone is where you're gonna look.
Day 2, heading offshore overnight. Just a short run out to the Gulf of America here.
Yeah, them big.
No, no, I'll get him. I'll get him.
That's beautiful. You see all the shit chasing them? Yeah, nice hunts. Records?
Hey, I think you should do something. Well, that's your grip. You can go the way you want it right
I know. Well, it's good. Everybody's up there.
Bro, look at that. That's a beautiful fish. Make it happen, big dog.
This was the little piece of the vermeil.
What's made on now,
This one's so big it's got to come through the door. Gotta go under.
Don't go fast, Pete. Take your time, brother.
Another one with him. Get another bait in the water.
They're soft, man. They're soft.
Daddy! Daddy!
Did it good, baby.
Daddy!
First Cobia.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, that's it. Drop it down. Yep. Oh, come under me. Come under me. Nice and steady, brother. Head only. If you don't have it, let them do a loop. Crank them up. Crank them up. We're there.
Shit, that's bigger for me.
Oh, that's an AJ. Fucking reef donkey, man. You don't want them.
Take a picture of him.
Yeah.
Cool.
Wow, what a beast. I never seen one like
He's
that.
probably 40, 50 pounds.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Eat it.
Yeah, get a picture.
There you go, Paul. Hold on. This is your first reef donkey?
Nope.
There you go. What do you got on there?
What fish I caught?
Oh, that's a lesser AJ. Bring him in.
Oh, we can eat this one?
Yeah, bring him in.
What do you got?
Look at all the fish. Sounds like my wife's alarm on her iPhone. What are we on, day 2?
No, Philip.
And we have color. What an AJ?
Fucking AJ? Look at the size of that fucking thing.
Shoot him.
Yeah. All right, let me get the whole thing
Thank
off.
God you didn't catch that on a little one. Ain't doing it.
This is what happens when fishing is slow. do his thing. Let him do his thing. Keep him in the water. 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 Let him go. Let him go. Let him do it. There you go. Yep. Blackfin. Huh? Oh, shit. Is that the sword?
Good jig. Get a belt.
I'm here.
Which line he took off? We went down to the white.
No. I can't see. Hold on, one more. Hold on. Do a loop. Hurry up. That's a blackfin.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Let me tell you what. That was. The other one was still bigger.
Petey's on the jig, right?
Yeah. That's what it is.
Did he spit? There we go, baby.
That's not y'all?
No, it's another black.
Oh.
Nice black. I think I killed him. Poke him real quick so I can.
What do you want to do?
Poke. You ready? Ready, Mukakis? It's like a factory. Chinese fire drill again. We had a shark on. Got all wrapped up when we were cutting him loose. Now we got another one. Now we got another one on. So. All right, we got color again. Coming up to the weight. Yeah, stop right there. Perfect.
I know what's been missing.
He's dead. I got him right in the heart. Hold on, we gotta get that hook out of him.
Now they don't move. Now you can see it.
We'll clean up in a
What was
sec.
that, sardine?
Now's on the stick. Bring him in, Mark. Don't do that over there. You're gonna lose him. Good job, Al.